Oh shit. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, y'all both look good.
Thank you.
Of course. What y'all doing on Monkey Up though? Y'all just chilling and shit.
Bored.
Bored, tight shit. How old are y'all ladies?
I'm 22.
22. Shit, I do it like my older women.
You wanna be? So what you want me to be your cougar?
Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Like draw me on damn Instagram. Hold on.
That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
Titty. I said, wow.
Oh, your room is beautiful. I like that.
Hey, appreciate it.
It's like the stairway to heaven.
I ain't gonna lie, you look good. You look good.
Thank you.
100%.
You too.
Yeah, you got a beautiful
And
ass
we got
smile.
the red on. You know.
Yeah, we matching. Hey, shit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
What is that? Oh shit.
Where you from?
Georgia.
I should take a trip all the way over there to see you. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Hell yeah. What's your Instagram?
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
You're.
Hi.
What you doing on Monkey Up though?
I'm bored as fuck.
Tight shit. Same here, same here. Where you from?
I'm from Omaha.
Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I should take my trip down to there. I ain't gonna lie. You look good. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, you look good.
Oh, man.
Shit. Hold on.
You cute when I'm pregnant.
Think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Shit, how old are you?
I'm 18.
18. Tight shit. Drop me on Instagram and shit.
Underscore.
What the fuck, bro?
He was yummy. Just like him.
What? What the fuck? Yo.
You like that one dude from TikTok.
Shut your stupid ass up.
Yo.
Yeah.
What you doing on Monkey Up? You just bored and shit?
Yeah. For somehow I've been on here for the last 3 hours. I don't know how. But
For the past like 25 minutes, I've been skipping a bunch of black screens or ceilings, I swear.
yeah, I've been doing that too. That's why I think you've been going by so fast.
Yeah.
I've been getting a good 10 followers to walk this line trip, man.
We do not care.
Where you from?
Ohio.
Damn, everybody from Ohio and shit, but I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas though.
Okay.
Yeah, just bored, all that type of shit.
I feel it.
Yeah. How old are you though?
18.
18 type shit. I'm 19, all that type of stuff. How tall are you though?
How tall is you?
I'm 6'6". How tall are you?
Okay. I'm 5'8".
Shit, like I can like hoop, all that type of stuff.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
Okay.
Yeah. How tall are you though?
Huh?
How tall are you?
5'8".
5'8". Shit, we can make some D1 babies for sure. But shit, I mean, yo, what do you call it? Instagram and shit. Give me on Instagram. Yo,
Hello?
what's good?
Nothing.
You just bored on Monkey Up and shit?
Huh?
You just bored on Monkey Up and shit?
Yes, you feel it. I'm bored as fuck.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
18, how old is you?
I'm 19.
You 19?
Yeah.
You lying?
Huh?
Are you lying?
No.
Okay.
I just turned 19 in November. But shit, like, where you from though?
I'm from Cali. Where you from?
You from Cali? Shit, I'm from Chicago, but I stay in Vegas.
You stay in Vegas?
Hell yeah.
Girl. I be in Vegas every weekend.
Every weekend, shit. We should like link up and shit. I can take you around the places.
But you could take me somewhere I don't know.
I know, I got you. For sure. Give me on Instagram and stuff.
So I'm ready.
Y'all know what's going on. And so do I.
Are you recording me?
No. Oh, damn. Hold on.
Good.
What's good? I ain't gonna lie, you look good. I swear to God, you look good.
Thank you.
Of course, shit. What you doing on YuhXavy? You just bored and shit?
Bored as shit.
Tight shit. Same here, same here. How old are you?
23.
Hey, get this cougar away from me, Steve.
Shit, I do like my older women. I'm 19
Oh,
still.
You said you're 19 or 18?
19.
Okay. You
Yeah.
stay in Vegas?
Yeah, as of right now, where you stay at?
Florida.
Florida.
Are you in the military?
Nah.
Oh. I heard you say as of right now, and I know normally that means like, you know.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you got a beautiful ass smile too, and them eyes, I swear.
Oh, thank you.
Shit, of course, and shit. But hey, I'm gonna send you a friend request. You should get me on Instagram. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Got you. What's your Instagram?
What's up? Ooh. What's up, cuz?
What's good?
You look like Toopsy. Toopsy. I know how to say his name.
Cap.
I seen
Hey, smash,
you.
smash. You hot as fuck.
Oh, appreciate it. How old are y'all ladies?
I'm 20.
20? Shit, I do like my older women.
I'm 18.
Okay, but show y'all face on the camera. Show y'all face. Shit,
This
buy
is my
one, get
best-
one.
this
Shit,
is
buy
my
one, get
mom.
one free. Buy one,
What?
get one free. Hell yeah. But shit, drop me on Instagrams and shit.
I will. I'll text you.
Oh, say less. You famous on TikTok?
Damn, why did everybody say that? Everybody say I'm
You
on.
look famous. You famous on TikTok?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me.
On TikTok. Yo,
What's good?
what's good?
What you doing?
I'm just chilling and vibing and shit. You feel me? What you doing?
High as fuck.
Nah, I see that. Put your face in the camera. I bet you look good. I ain't gonna lie.
No, I do not. I do high as fuck. I hope it.
Shit, I ain't gonna lie. You look good. Where you from?
I'm from Jacksonville, but I stay in Texas right now.
Texas. Shit, I should make my way down to Texas to see you. All
Okay, good. Come on.
right, for sure. Shit. What's your Instagram? Drop me on Instagram and shit.
Come on, man. That's too easy.